I am a light sleeper, so it's really hard to bear the sound of the snoring. Having tried a lot of products, but nothing helps. It's so stressful.
Honestly, I feel really bad, really guilty, especially for my poor wife. It really affects our relationship. The poor quality of sleep, the effect on my mental health the next day. It's been so difficult. I really hope to solve this ongoing problem from the bottom of my heart. I really hope so. Using this product consistently